Markets are getting pretty weak, as mentioned, since the beginning of August, because we did our seasonality analysis and we knew that the month of August and September were the worst months typically in the year. Folks, today is August 19th, 2025. We are about 20 minutes after the market open. I am looking at NASDAQ QQQ right here. The arrow is currently pointing at a support line, in which case it seems that the NASDAQ is starting to fail. And if we zoom into it, you got the 5-minute chart right there. You got sort of a bearish H pattern opening right there. So this thing, it's on its way down. I do have some put options in play at the moment, but I wanted to show you folks, look around, just see this continued weakness in the marketplace because I think it's very educational. Now, if we end up correcting and moving up higher, then we have to respect the markets because it's choosing to go higher. But in this moment right now, as we look around, things aren't looking too good, right? If I shift over to from previously QQQ and we go over to Meta over here, again, Meta is one of the market leaders or market leading narratives in the space right now. If it's anyone, I mean, they're one of the top publicly traded AI companies at this point because all they're doing with super intelligence. So this one right here, also selling down about 1% today. So not looking too good. If we go over to another one, AMD. So AMD, previously in our previous analysis, I mentioned it broke over the trend line over here around the 175 mark, shot up a little bit, hit its head around 185, and now it's going back down towards the green line right there. And it just broke its 20-day moving average today. So a little bit more bearish as well. If we go over to Google, this one's also pretty interesting. I had a channel on Google right here, and now it's trading outside of the channel, right? Not necessarily full bearish yet, but just the next step in identifying some weakness in the charts. We could also look at Bitcoin as well, right? We knew that Bitcoin attempted to break out into all-time highs recently right here. It briefly touched all-time highs at around 124,000, but since came back down. So yeah, not looking too strong. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. If we go back. So overall, folks, the markets continue to appear sluggish and it's getting weaker by the day. Here's also Palantir. This one is now down 5% today. Again, these leading narratives are getting weaker, and sometimes the best way to identify the state of the market is to analyze the best of the best, right? The best of the best of the best, which are market leaders, and if they're not performing, then we have to ask ourselves,